Hamlin's got the Oscar, and I'm still producing things like Home of the Year. But that's a good story. I mean, which we now look back on and go like fantastic films.
But I would say that they were also loyal and loving brothers. So there was certainly a huge element of pride. And in subsequent years, he always supported.
Oh, no, absolutely. It wasn't sort of, there was no resentment, and there would have been deep pride, and there probably would have been immense relief too. That not only had Herman done something which possibly could relaunch his career and sort of take some of the pressure off Dad as far as supporting him in this, but also just that he had somehow come close to fulfilling his promise. That here's it's a film about again. Which films didn't always, they tried to say something.
Truck forward after the movie. Here it is. The film many consider the greatest of all time from 1941.
Okay, here's the my original throat plate. You can see it's getting kind of wide, and this was cut for a Woodworker 2 thin curved blade. So let me run it up and I'll show it to you. And I really enjoyed this, but like you see I've used the standard blade in it, and it's enlarged the groove in this slot. So here's the new one, fresh off the CNC machine. Now this slot is, I've changed this to cut this slot in it. This wasn't working. I was trying to get this saw blade so that you could put a normal size and a 10-inch blade on it, and it would cut this curve, but that didn't help. So you got to put the screws in it, and you got to put a headless nail in it. You can see I didn't get this one in the right position. It's a little bit too high, so I just bent it down. But it drops in and just fits like that. The screws bring it up to the right height, so you're ready to go. This is for the Delta cabinet saw. This is a very old saw. It's got to be 25 years old that I bought it a long time ago. So, but there you have new throat plates from your CNC machine. Now I know a lot of guys take a blank and they put it on the router table and they cut it out. and they have to drill a hole in it. You usually end up sanding it or something, but so I just wanted to do this. Since I have the machine, I wanted to cut them so I can cut as many as I want or as many as I need. So you can have one for every saw blade.